Yeah, welcome to Crypto Fubu YouTube channel. I want to quickly show us some important facts on the Bitcoin chart we have to take note of. We saw Bitcoin quickly. Let me go to the monthly charts. Let me go to the monthly chart before I come to the weekly chart, which shows clearly what has happened on the monthly chart. This is November 1st, and we just have seen the Bitcoin candle for the month of November opening on a bullish note. Once again, I want to welcome you to the Crypto Fubu YouTube channel. Now, this is the monthly candle open for the month of November. This is bullish. For sure, this is bullish. Not forgetting the fact that there are possibilities for retracement, but we have opened the month on a greener note. And if you take note of what is going on here, you will observe that there is a clear resistance at this top. We may not see it very clearly on the monthly time frame, so I will take us to the weekly time frame. So, but what we have seen here is November has opened on a bullish note. Unless something otherwise happens, then November may not be entirely green as it has appeared to be on the day 1 of November. Now, I want to quickly take us. It's a good thing that the RSI is above 50. The RSI is above the 50 line, which indicates that there is a bullish momentum in the market. Below 50 is a bearish momentum. Above 50 is a bullish momentum. All right, now, let us look at the weekly time frame, where things become very clearer for us. I quickly switch to the weekly time frame for Bitcoin and the US dollar. All right, on a weekly time frame, some very important facts are here for us to pinpoint in this chart. And first, I want to show us something here. Bitcoin did these 16,700 around December 2022. And since then, we have been on this upward rising channel. This horizontal channel was established since December 2022, when we saw the first clear move coming in for Bitcoin around January. Since then, Bitcoin has been on uptrend. And Bitcoin came here around April and met this stiff resistance, which caused a retracement to this level of 25,000 around June, and then bounced off again, attempted to break above around July, but could not. And then we saw this retracement, but then this support held Bitcoin. And this support has held Bitcoin for Bitcoin to bounce to where it is currently trading at right now. And once again, we are going to be keeping our eyes on this resistance. Possibilities are resistance will always do what it is meant to. A lot of people will want to take profit at resistance. A lot of persons want to pull out of the market because naturally resistance will what? Will pull the price of an asset downwards. There's likely to be some form of resistance like what we saw here, We're keeping eyes here. Now, what is the particular price that we are likely to see this resistance? It will be around the price of 37,000, 27, 20, 36, 36, and 37,000 is where we are going to be keeping our eyes on. Now, the weekly close for this week and the weekly open for next week will determine what happens in the entire month of November. Very important weekly close and weekly open ahead. So I will advise for those that are on leverage trading to be very careful because we are hitting a resistance right now. This is a clear fact on the chart. Very clear fact. And then let's look at what momentum is doing. Momentum appears to be very positive here. Very positive. Look at momentum here. Very positive. But I would like to draw our attention to some key facts also once again on this chart, because the last time we saw Bitcoin, we saw the RSI coming to this level. The last time we saw the RSI coming to this level of 75 was around 2021. And after then, what did we see? We saw this massive correction. Look at this massive correction. Let me squeeze this chart a bit, We saw this massive correction at this point. Take note, look at it. At this point, we saw the RSI, this overbought territory. And then we saw the massive retracement. At this point, we are seeing the RSI once again. So there is need for caution. The reason why I want to say we should be very cautious is because we are seeing that the S&P has broken below support on a weekly time frame and on a daily time frame. The same thing to the Dow Transportation Index. All are below support. And these are clear fundamental indicators that show us what the crypto market is likely to do, where the crypto market is likely to move to, because these two markets correlate. The traditional market and the crypto market does correlate, especially the S&P, because we have a lot of tech stocks there, and the movement tend to correlate with the movement of the cryptocurrencies. So you have to be careful on your long trades. Right now, we are hitting a resistance. Once again, I want to warn, we are hitting a resistance. We are keeping our eye on the weekly close and the weekly open for next week, which will be very important, pivotal, to tell us probabilities of what Bitcoin might be doing next. If you see a break above this resistance of 27,000, then Bitcoin might be heading to the next target of 48,000. But if that does not happen, then we are likely to see a break where we are going to be keeping our eyes once again on 26,000 to hold as the first support. So let's be careful what we are seeing right now on the chart. Even when Bitcoin came around 2022, Bitcoin came, the RSI came here, and we saw this massive retracement. Right now, what we are seeing a reversal being initiated in the Bitcoin chart. So probabilities are we may see a retracement, but it will not be a bear market. That is what I think. But this type of retracement, you can see it only in bear market. We see retracement. The only time I will say yes, we have confirmed a bear market, then it will have to be Bitcoin breaking below 25,000. It's going to be very interesting what plays out in the next 2-3 weeks in the market, because that is going to be a clear pointer. It's going to be a clear pointer for us on what the market is to do next. I want to keep it very simple here. And I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get our videos real time as we upload them. We give you clear, short analysis based on facts to help you make money, not to lose money. Thank you very much. Bye for now. I will see you in my next update. I remember humble self, Henry.